Hi my friends, I'm so happy today because I'm gonna review for you Lancome Holiday Beauty Box 2024. It's huge, it's big, yes, look at this huge side. It's so pretty, oh my god, this is Holiday Beauty Box will be perfect under the Christmas tree. I knew your mom, your grandma, your girlfriend, everybody will love to have this amazing, beautiful holiday box. You wanna tell me now, Katerina, you in a holiday mood but you don't have any makeup? Don't worry about it. I'm gonna try all this product today on me. This holiday beauty box costs $79 with any 42 purchase, Lancome purchase. Basically, you need to buy something for $42. Like you can buy your foundation, you can buy your eye makeup remover, and then you can buy this big holiday box for $79. Again, look at how huge here. In this side, it's a beautiful, very festive, I will say, picture. It says Lancome. I like this rich navy color. On the side, it's all about product, how much amount of product we have with you here, and of course it's your front. But let me open, let me show you how pretty this box inside. This is how box looks inside. Very, very beautiful. It's not your small makeup box, it's huge one. I love this box because I can store my old makeup, or I can put some my hair product inside which I might don't use it, or if you travel you can put a lot here. It's a pretty beautiful rose gold color. We have Lancome rose on front, and this is how this box looks inside. Very pretty. We have with you 9 full-size products here. We have with you full-size cleanser, full-size eye makeup remover, full-size serum, eye cream, mascara primer, lipstick, eyeshadow, and I think, to me personally, it's a small traveling size fragrance, but I think Lancome put is a full size product. It's definitely moisturizer here. It's your traveling size. Wait, I forgot something very important. Yes, this holiday Lancome Holiday Beauty Box gonna available October 7. And I have something else. You must live in United States. You must comments below, leave me a nice message, and one of you will receive this beautiful holiday box. Yes, I will purchase and I will send to you home, and it will be free shipping. Just love you more than ice cream. Comments below, subscribe my YouTube channel, and I really will appreciate if you guys start subscribing my Instagram Katya Beauty channel too. Okay, let's continue. First item, which one we have in this holiday box, it's your Cream Radiance Cream to Foam Cleanser. $38, 4.2 ounce. It's a pretty big size. You need a very little amount. It is very, I will say, foam, cream to foam cleanser. I will say this is for all type of skin cleanser, and this cleanser even waterproof makeup removing. Great deal. Next item, it's Bifacil, 4.2 ounce, $39. This is the best eye makeup remover. I like only 2. I like this one and one more brand, and I will tell you, it's so gentle. It's remove your eye makeup so good. I know this is your eye makeup remover, but when I use waterproof foundation like Bobbi Brown, when I use Tinted Doll, when I use double wear, sometimes I need a eye makeup remover, and Bivacil will take care of my issue 100%. Will remove, will break my this like waterproof cement makeup very easy and quick. Next item is Génifique Serum, and this is your winning award bestseller. Yes, we have here with you 1 ounce. This 1 ounce costs $89. Unbelievable deal. It is very liquidy, but it is light texture. Just you need 1 pump. I like to warm in my hand and press on my neck, on my décolleté, and of course face. You need to use this serum morning and night first. It's come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. Moisturizer work only top part of your skin, and serum come to your skin much more deeper. This is why usually serum costs a little bit more expensive than moisturizer, because moisturizer will boost your hydration and work on the top part, and serum come to your skin much more deeper. Again, one more time, use this morning and night. Now I'm gonna use moisturizer, and it's a traveling size. If you're traveling, you will love this moisturizer because it's a perfect size. And it's moisturizer for sagginess and wrinkles. It's Renergy HPN 300 peptide cream. We have here with you 15 ml or 0.5 ounce. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's light texture, it's not your heavy, rich, heavy moisturizer. I'll say it's creamy, light texture. Oh my god, I love this moisturizer, it smells so good. And because we don't have here with you SPF, you can use day and night this cream. I know, you want to see makeup. You want me to stop blah 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 and show you colors and how to use eyeshadow palette. Just a minute, just a second. I need to take care of my dark circles. And Génifique eye cream, it's a perfect eye cream. You can use this morning and night, and it's for dark circles and puffiness. And of course, if you have little wrinkles, it will help you too. And this eye cream just by itself costs $82. It's an amazing deal. Remember guys, one of you will receive this beautiful holiday box. All what you need to do, subscribe my YouTube channel, comments below, and live in United States. And now I'm gonna show you, I'm 46 years old, how I'm gonna look 20 years younger using this deal. I show you how to use skincare, now I'm gonna show you how to use makeup. I'm gonna use Renergy Micro Lip foundation. It's normal to dry skin. We have 27 SPF. It is medium to full coverage. My skin, it's not just dry, extremely dry. I'm actually adding my Génifique to my foundation. Foundation goes so beautifully, will cover all my discoloration, pigmentation, and my skin will feel so good. If you use Tinted Doll foundation and you feel it's a little bit dry for winter, just add Génifique, girls. Look at this foundation on me, how look beautiful. Wow. Look at this side and look at this side. Can you see this discoloration, pigmentation? And this look flawless. Foundation it's done, and my color it's 240. I actually have really dark circles. Even I put little bit foundation under my eyes, but I feel extra coverage. And I'm gonna use Tinted Old Concealer, natural matte finish. I like how this concealer feels. It's not feels heavy, it feels really, really light. My darkness, it's right here. This is where I apply my concealer. I don't need to apply all over my eyelid, just right here. I have Beauty Blender and I'm gonna just little bit press, and there we go. No more dark circles. Time to use eyeshadow. Yes, look at how huge this palette. Look at how big this eyeshadow. This is incredible deal. And quality, I'm telling you guys, quality is amazing. I actually really like here qualities and regular Lancome eyeshadow palette. It's better, 100%. I don't know what's going on with Lancome eyeshadow primer. It's no more exist nowhere. I'm gonna use MAC eyeshadow primer Painterly. It's a beautiful neutral color. I need eyeshadow primer because I have discoloration, pigmentation on my eyelid, and I want my eyeshadow stay all day long. Because I want to look young today, I'm not gonna use too much dark colors. I'm gonna use more softer colors today. I have already one video where I create like more dramatic eyes, but today let's do something natural and easy. I will say let's get ready for work with Lancome. I have a big blending brush and I'm gonna use this color. It's a matte color. I always like to start with matte color and I'm gonna apply above my socket area. It's gonna be our middle color. Right here it's my socket area, and again I pushing color up. I love this color. It's give me nice beautiful pop and I feel it's even lift my eyes. Absolutely in love with first color, Tender Heel. It's matte, it is powdery, but it's a creamy powdery. Unbelievable quality. I don't feel like, again, this is our regular Lancome eyeshadow palette. This is, one more time, better, and again, it's better quality. Now I have another big blending brush and we're gonna use this darker color. Wow, this is eyeshadow. It's pigmented. Actually, they all have a very nice pigment. Now I need to make decision. French Rose, oh, it's so pretty, color, or Shimmery Gold. I know I'm wearing shimmery like a gold outfit and will look so pretty, but for some reason I'm gonna choose French Rose. But look at these colors, oh my god. I have a small flat brush and I'm gonna use this French Rose color. I have a small clean blending brush and I'm gonna just slightly a little bit soft this darker color and lighter color. Basically I am melting them together. Like I promised, I wanna look younger. I need to lift a little bit my eye. I have a small tiny brush and we're gonna use this color Soft Nude. I apply this soft nude color right here, very close to my brow bone. Same color I'm gonna apply right here on the corner for extra pop. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender and I have here a little bit concealer, a little bit foundation. I'm gonna start cleaning underneath. And this is it's your extra eyelid without plastic surgeon. One more time I'm gonna use a big blending brush, and all what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna little bit soak this light color, which one is close to my brow bone, little bit soft this, and I'm pushing color up. I just don't wanna too sharp this eye area, but I still want this extra lift. Time for eyeliner. I'm gonna use Lancome Ultra Pressure eyeliner. It's waterproof, and I apply it very close to my lashes. And let's finish with these two products, which one we have in a set. Full size lash primer. It's my favorite lash primer. Why do you need? If you want your lashes to look more healthy, bigger, more volume, you must have this primer. It's my #1 favorite primer I ever tried. And this is its full size Defenisal, which one we have again in the set. Just as Defenisal by itself costs $34, primer I believe $30. Mascara, this mascara, it's, I will say, natural mascara, will give you nice lean, good separation, but I always like to use Defenisal and one more any Lancome mascara for extra volume. To finish this look, I'm gonna use loose transparent powder from Lancome. I'm gonna just set my foundation. Then I'm gonna use bronze because I look little bit pale, and my color is light 02, and I love this bronze. Remember, it's purchase with purchase. If you don't have this bronze, go just buy this bronze. It's amazing. It has this just beautiful blurry effect. And then of course I'm gonna use new Lancome lip liner and lipstick, which ones this set have. Let's add little bit blush, and I'm using Rose Fresque. Time for lips. I love this lip color, unspoken feeling. I think it's a perfect color for this look. But before we're gonna use this gorgeous lip color, I'm gonna use lip liner, and this is actually my favorite lip liners from Lancome. I believe it's Idole Nude number 33. This is lip liner go perfect with peachy colors, with pinky color. It just, I will say, it's universal color. Wow, it's a perfect color for this look. I feel young, I feel 26 like I promised. What do you think? Comments below. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channels. Please subscribe. I need your help. I really wanna grow my YouTube channel. I'm working for Nordstrom for 20 years. I wanna do something else. And remember, I have gift giveaway for one of you. You must live in United States. Just comments below, leave me a nice message, and me and my daughter, we will choose the winner. Bye!